Well, so in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and compare unique products or unique items. Depends on how you need to do this. And we're going to compare it to the other items on the list. And then as you can see, we have a list here, name of people, the area. So this is basically like maybe like a sales position. We're counting who's working in the West area, what products that they're selling. We don't want people to duplicate their sales, or we don't want to duplicate values. So we're going to need to go ahead and calculate how to go ahead and get those unique products. So we'll be doing that using an if statement today. So you want to go ahead and every time you do a function, it's always the equal signs. And then if, I do it in all capitals, doesn't matter if you do or not. It's really up to you. And then we want it to count f. So count f. And then we want to compare it to C2, C2. So, but it always has to compare to that. So we want to make sure that that's done. So we want to go ahead and do the $sign, C2, and then we want to do another $sign. I apologize, C, $sign 2. And then we want to compare it to the previous one, but we need this one to count. The reason we put the $signs there is so it actually doesn't change. So, but we need these to change, so we need this to change to C3, C4, down the line. So we're going to go ahead and do C2, comma, C2. Make sure it's not duplicated. And then we're going to go ahead and do the greater than sign, or is that the less than sign? I don't know. I'm always confused by that. But anyway, all we're going to go do 1, which will tell you what the input, if the value is true. If it's false, if it's not a duplicate, then it's going to be 0. And we're going to start off with 1. Close that, run it, and as you can see, it goes all the way down. I already had it set up to go all the way down, but you can, if you need to, as you can see as I click around here, it's C2, C3, C3, right here in this area here. Then we have C4, C4, C5, and it goes all the way down the list to make sure that nothing is unique. So as you can see here, David and Danny are both selling desks, and so is Robert. So we need to maybe change some of that up or something along those lines. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have any other things that you would like me to cover, please leave it down below in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.